everybody. In this short video cast, I want to show you a really cool tool that allows you to write nicely typeset chemical or mathematical equations and then copy them into your document of choice. We all know how frustrating it can be to write a good equation or something like that and then show that in a Word document, in a Google document, or on a PowerPoint. But with this LaTeX equation editor, this is incredibly simple. So let's say we want to look at the dissociation of sulfuric acid. So we can write an equation, and in LaTeX this starts with the backslash, and here we write CE for chemical equation and a curly bracket. And now we just simply write our chemical equation that we want to look at. So we've got H2SO4, and we add some water, H2O. And of course, this is a reversible reaction. So we indicate this with this double arrow. And we get H3O plus, and we get plus, what have we got left? We've got HSO4 minus, and close the curly bracket. So here that should be a 4, of course. So have we got the chemistry right? Yes. We've got that, H3O plus. Okay, good. So that's really all you need to write. And now we can choose our equation size, how we want to have it displayed, image resolution, how big we want the image, or the padding, we can change that. And then we just simply click on Render Equation. And we've got our equation here, and that looks good. It even has this reversible reaction symbol. The charges are in the right place. Everything is okay. So we click Copy Image. We get a message that equation has been copied to the PNG image. And for example, we now can just simply click it with the paste function into PowerPoint. If we want, we can of course adjust it in terms of size, but it has rendered this equation very nicely. So if you are interested in this tool, I will place that into the link. The link to this tool. It is free, and if you want to know more about LaTeX commands, not just the chemical equation command, but a number of other commands, and then please follow this link here. Please note, the copying only works with Google Chrome. It does not work with Safari. So I hope this makes sense, and thank you very much for watching. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up.